Hey everyone, I'm gonna show you how to set up IC SDK, which is commonly known as DFX, in your local machine. Before running into the installation process, you need to open docs.internetcomputer.org in your browser. The link is in the description, check it out. Once you open the website in browser, you need to navigate to building app section. Here you need to click the install the IC SDK. Here they have provided installation steps for Linux, macOS and Windows. If you check in Linux, you only need to install Node.js and you can directly install the DFX. For macOS, similar steps are here, but for Windows, you need to install Windows subsystem. For Linux, then you need to install Node.js and you need to install IC SDK. I am using Mac, so I am going with the macOS installation steps. For that, you need to open the terminal. Let me zoom it out a little bit. Here, first we need to install the Node.js. I have already installed it. I'm using 24.14.0, so I'm not going to show you how to install it. And so next step is you need to install IC SDK. You need to copy this, open the terminal, then paste it. So here you will get three options: proceed with installation, customize installation, cancel installation. So hit enter to and proceed with the default setup. Now this is installed. To configure that in your shell, you need to copy this line and paste it here. Now this is done, and you can directly check DFX version. As you can see, it is showing DFX 0.31.0. Now it's installed successfully in the machine. After installing the DFX in your local, you can just run DFX in the terminal. It will show all the available commands. You can see start, build, cache, canister, config. Most of the commands are available. To start the DFX in your local, you just need to run DFX start -clean -background. So -clean will remove the existing DFX folder from your project and create a new one. Background will run the DFX in the background. Let me hit the enter. If you see, this started at 4943 port. To check the status, you can just hit DFX ping. So status is healthy. This is pretty much all, and how to install DFX in your local machine. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you in next video.